This is an initiative that was funded by the federal government, and it's a collaboration between the University of Windsor and the City of Windsor. Its mandate is aimed at two things. There's a dual intent, as I like to say. One is to facilitate trade for companies in the region, and then the other is to maintain a secure and compliant border.
So it's just how highly integrated we are in terms of our industry with the industry that's on the other side of the border. So if we're going to maintain that level of integration, which we really need to do because there's a lot more market on the other side of the border than there is here in Ontario, then we have to have borders that run very efficiently.
Some of them are e-guides that we're developing right now for companies and entrepreneurs to be able to utilize in crossing the border. Another initiative that we're working on is how do we provide services that are currently not being offered in the area. So let's say there are not law firms or accounting firms or brokerage firms. How can we develop a service model that is unique and that fits what the business community and the trade community are looking for? And then the other aspect is we're looking at ourselves as almost a liaison between the government agencies, academia, the business community, and sort of that central focal point in how we can really be put to the most effective use in terms of translating what's happening at a policy level to what's happening at the actual border.
So it's a kind of it's really by its nature a multidisciplinary phenomenon. There's a lot of technology that we're dealing with. We have people working on biometric technology, small-scale radar technology, various types of technologies that can be used both to make the border operate better and to make the supply chains, make all the trucks and everything more secure so nobody can sneak drugs into them and that sort of thing. And you can kind of go on and on with this. Computer science, we have people in physics that are doing work with us. And so it's a very nice topic to have a specialization in, not only because the border is just outside our window, but also because it brings together people from all over the campus into this larger research effort.
The one thing is we're taking their current research and using it, but then the other benefit is that we're saying, here are some headwinds that we see in about 5 years based on economic factors or industry focus, and we're able to request additional research from them, right? So it's this ongoing machine of, back and forth work.
One of the research projects that we have right now is we're working with Transport Canada on using data from GPS transponders in trucks in order to do analysis of the flows of goods and trade between the United States and Canada.
There are a number of different border groups. There are a number of different organizations that say we work on the border, but there's not one institute that has no biases, that is really just looking to make that border more efficient and work better. So if we can bring all of those groups together and really have a collaborative way of working together, I think that we would have achieved our goal.